Hello, first graders. All right, we're ready for day 3. So what jobs need to be done in the community? I want you to pause the video and talk to somebody in your house and talk about the different jobs that need to be done in the community and why. What would happen if we don't have those jobs in the community? Very good. All right, we're going to talk about our vocabulary. Our first vocabulary is community. Community. I want you to see if you can take your finger and find community on the screen. Oh, look, I found it right here. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. What does community mean? If you said that means the people that live around you or the people in your town, you are right. That's your community. So what is your community? Each of you guys have a different community. All right. Occupation. I'm going to say occupation. What does occupation mean? Occupation means the job or career that somebody has. So Miss Mason's occupation is a teacher. All right, let's find occupation. Here we go. We found it up here. O-C-C-U-P-A-T-I-O-N. Occupation. All right, equipment. Equipment. What does equipment mean? If you said it means the tools or things that somebody needs to do a job, you are correct. All right, let's find equipment. See if you guys can see it. Oops, I see it right here. E-Q-U-I-P-M-E-N-T. Equipment. All right, let's do fortunately. Fortunately. All right. F-O-R-T-U-N-A-T-L-Y. What does fortunately mean? What does that mean? It means that you're lucky, you're fortunate, you should be happy for what you have. All right, let's find fortunately. This one's kind of tricky. You guys have probably found it before I have. Here it is. F-O-R-T-U-N-A-T-L-E-Y. Fortunately. All right, let's do astonishing. Astonishing. Astonishing means something is wonderful and marvelous. Remember we saw that star, astonishing. And I see astonishing right here. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-I-N-G. Astonishing. All right, we're going to read Millie waits for the mail. We're going to make and confirm our predictions. All right, here we go. Who's the character? You said Millie, you're right. Millie. And also, who else was a character in there? You said the mailman, you're right.
Millie Waits for the Mail by Alexander Steckensmeyer. What's going to happen at the end of the story? Remember, a prediction is just you making a guess based on all the information you have of what might happen next. Now, if your prediction isn't right, that's okay. There's no wrong or right answer. If it didn't happen, what you predicted, change your way of thinking and make a new prediction. So, Mom and Dad, help your little ones to predict all the way through this book while we're reading it. Every morning while being milked, Millie stared out at the farmyard. This was her favorite time of the day because there was something Millie loved more than anything else. Can you make a prediction what it is that she loves more than anything else? Scaring the mail carrier. And chasing him off the farm. Oh my, I wonder why Millie likes to days the farmer didn't get any mail, Millie felt so let down. The farmer didn't share Millie's idea of fun. All her packages arrived broken. Millie had to be stopped. I wonder what the farmer's going to do to stop Millie. And the mail carrier had terrible nightmares every night. But one morning, he finally had an idea. Maybe if I bring the cow a package, he said to himself, she will like me. Do you think it'll work? The next day, Millie lay in wait, just as she did every morning. And Millie scared the mail carrier just as she did every morning. Moo! That's enough! Shouted the farmer, chasing after Millie, who was chasing after the mail carrier. Again. Stop right there! Enough already! Shouted the mail carrier too. This package is for you, you silly cow. Millie slid to a sudden stop. A package? She had never received a package before. What on earth could it be? The box bounced right past her and landed under the wheels of the farmer's tractor. Oh no! Yelled the farmer, but it was too late. The package was completely flattened. Millie's heart dropped and her feet went out from under her. Wonder what was in that package. And when she pulled herself up on wobbly knees, the mail carrier's bicycle looked a little different. I'm ruined, sniffed the carrier. How will I deliver the mail without my bicycle? Now, every morning, Millie can't wait to finish her milking because there is something she loves more than anything else. Can you guess what it is? Can you make a prediction? Delivering the mail! Did you see that coming? Was that your prediction?
Alright, good job, first graders. Those were some awesome predictions. Alright, we're going to blend the sounds. Are you ready? I'm going to say the sounds and you're going to put them together to form the word. M-E-N. Min, that's right. Egg. Leg, that's right. Get. Get. Ed. Red. Don't forget to do them with me. Ed. Bed. Pen. Pen. Apple. Smell. S. Dress. Step. Step. Good job. How many sounds in the word red? If you said 3, you're right. How many sounds in the word dress? You said 4, you're right. Alright, remember this week we're talking about short E. Short E says like an egg. Pause the video and talk to your parents on some other words that start with a short E or have a short E in the middle as the vowel. Alright, let's tap these words. You ready? Pen. Do them with me. X. Rex. Jen. X. Vet. Alright, let's fill in the words. Are you ready? He is a vet. How do you spell vet? Et. V-E-T. That's right. Alright, now we have wet. Let's tap it out. W-E-T. Wet. If you said W-E-T, you're right. Net. N-Et. Net. It's spelled N-E-T. Very good. Okay, we have leg. egg, leg. You said L-E-G. You're right. All right, let's read the sentences. Read them with me. Tell Meg to get 10 eggs. I want you to find the words that have a short E. Pause the video and find the words that have short E words. You said, tell Meg get 10 eggs. You're right. All right, let's do the next one. The red fox fled to its den. Okay, if you said red, fled, and den, you're right. Those have a short E. All right, let's say, spell, say. Are you ready? Leg. L-E-G, leg. Beg. B-E-G, beg. Min. M-E-N, min. Hen. H-E-N, hen. Head. H-E-A-D, head. Bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Spin. S-P-I-N, spin. There. T-H-E-R-E, there. Again. A-G-A-I-N, again. Don't forget, these are words that you could rainbow write later on. You could take your crayons and write these words. All right, let's do our sight words. Same thing. You guys could take Play-Doh or salt or anything like that. Ask your parents, okay? I'm going to do again. A-G-A-I-N, again. Help. H-E-L-P, help. New. N-E-W, new. There. T-H-E-R-E, there. And use. U-S-E. Another idea is you could use all these words in a sentence. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Ben could go blank, blank. Ben could go, again, help, new, there, use. Ben can go, use help. That's what I put. Ben can go, use help. Does that make sense? Ben can go there. Ben can go there again. Does that make sense? Very good. Ben can go there again. Remember, to use in a sentence, it has to make sense. I will blank a blank pen. I will, what do you think is going to go there? Use a new pen. Very good. So now we have help. Can you help Jeff? Very good. What is this thing called right here? The very end of that last sentence. It's called a question mark. Very good.